Moon Valley Cabin was born from a couple's dream of owning a special place atop a mountain in the countryside of Rio Grande do Sul, Brazil. The owners wanted a unique retreat and found this extraordinary spot with a splendid view of a breathtaking valley where the Antas River winds through the landscape. It's an ideal setting to admire both sunrise and sunset, and to gaze at moonlit and starlit nights, enveloped in silence and tranquility. The primary design challenge was to preserve the natural essence of the site, ensuring that the structure blended harmoniously with the landscape, enhancing rather than overshadowing it. The solution was a pure and minimalist architecture that embraces the terrain's natural beauty, incorporating elements like the imposing stone beside the cabin and the trees that were already part of the landscape. To bring this retreat to life, materials were chosen for their connection to the surrounding nature: concrete, stone, and reclaimed bricks, carefully repurposed from materials the owner already had. Every construction detail was crafted to reflect the simplicity and comfort of the space, allowing the textures and natural materials to speak for themselves. The cabin was built by a local craftsman whose skill and attention to detail brought it to life with precision. The tree canopies filter the sunlight, creating a play of shadows and light that dances with the wind. The aim was to create a space of warmth and tranquility where the couple could enjoy restful moments and contemplation while planning their future home on the same land. A cabin that, by blending seamlessly into the environment, became an extension of the landscape, a true refuge for the senses, where the built and natural worlds coexist in perfect harmony. In this special place, time seems to slow down, allowing each sunrise and sunset to be savored fully, and the night's silence to reveal the hidden secrets of the stars, embraced by the serene beauty of the mountain.